Congratulations on being accepted to PPL's co-op program, and welcome to PPL Electric Utilities. Here in Electric Utilities, or EU for short, we hold a strong tradition of providing reliable energy to our customers with the highest rated service and satisfaction. With nearly 2,300 employees, PPL EU serves 1.4 million customers with a service area of 10,000 square miles. This is done through the use of about 50,000 miles of transmission and distribution lines, 1 million poles and towers, and nearly 400 substations and switch yards. To give you an idea of what you could expect to be doing here as a co-op in EU, let's see where some of our co-ops have been working and what projects they have been working on.
Transmission designers design the poles and towers for 69, 138, 230, and 500 kV lines. We have a variety of engineering disciplines working on designs for new line installations and existing line rebuilds. I've assisted with projects by reviewing drawings and Google Earth files of transmission lines to create a list of structures and structure details. Working in transmission design also gives me the chance to get out into the field to see the structures that I'm working with.
The Transmission Operations Department at the Lehigh Service Center monitors and switches the PPL transmission system to ensure it functions safely and reliably. My job is to provide support to the operators in the Transmission Control Center by updating one-line diagrams and creating an equipment map that allows them to write switching permits more efficiently.
In my group, we develop standards and maintain our optical and radio infrastructure that supports the operations of the company. The project that I've been working on is mapping out pre-existing fiber optic cables on transmission lines and assisting in planning new fiber builds. These will provide connectivity to our various facilities around Pennsylvania in support of the smart grid, protective relaying, and our corporate communications.
My group is responsible for defining the conditions and requirements on how engineering processes are to be performed and measured. The processes put into place are aimed to increase quality, safety, and reduce maintenance, as well as allow the interchangeability of parts and repeatable designs. Presently, the project I am working on is rating all of the transformers in PPL system for thermal overload capacities. These will be used by distribution to determine the maximum levels which a transformer can be pushed to help provide power to the grid in emergency situations.
In transmission and substation maintenance, we are tasked with the upkeep of our high voltage facilities. We perform both preventative and corrective maintenance to ensure reliability in the area. My current projects include transmission line inspections and investigating breaker failures. We also oversee and assist crews in the field.
While working in distribution reliability, we perform analysis on the electrical distribution network for our areas. Our analysis identifies proactive modifications to the infrastructure of PPL's electrical grid to enhance the overall safety, reliability, and efficiency of electrical distribution.
Many of the improvements identified through our analyses help to ensure the number of customers impacted by outages is reduced. We locate strategic placements for smart grid devices which isolate outages and restore customers' power by wireless controls.
We are able to learn about the different components which form the PPL distribution network and take part in tasks in the office as well as the field.
The skilled professionals that guide us are able to provide an insightful, unique experience that allows us to take our creativity and what we've learned in the classroom and run with it.
My group works to develop and maintain design instructions and construction specifications that ensure a safe and reliable electrical distribution system. I find myself working to maintain our underground network, analyzing both old and new equipment, and meeting many of the vendors that supply PPL with its products.
Here, our job is to determine the needs, viewpoints, concerns, and attitudes of PPL customers. We do this primarily through the development and analysis of survey questionnaires and focus groups. Our customers' feedback is essential because it allows us to make necessary changes in the way we do business in hopes of increasing overall customer satisfaction.
It's important that we at EU keep delivering our customers with the most reliable energy and provide them with the best service and satisfaction. With a multitude of new projects happening every year, it's up to you, as the future of electric utilities, to decide how you want to make an impact.